In this session, we will connect MQTT box with the jmeter. So first we'll give all the details of the client, client name, client ID, protocol, host, everything. Then click on save. You will be connected with the broker. So I given the topic name is called data 1. I have click on the subscriber. Now open jmeter. So in the jmeter, as we know, we will add the thread group. Inside the thread group, as a sampler, we are using MQTT publisher. So in the publisher, I'm giving the URL, client ID, and the topic name, which is given in the subscriber data 1, and the respective username and the password. In the payload, give some message like hi jmeter. TT box. So I want to send this payload. Just save the project once and just run it once again. Now you can see that publisher has been published. We go to the MQTT changing box. The message once again. I'm running the command. You can see MQTT box 1. So in this way you can connect jmeter and the MQTT box and check all the fields like properly have you entered, like provide URL, everything, and just disconnecting it.